High School. Myself, Dipali. Chapter 8 Quadrilaterals. Exercise 8.2, question number 6. Show that line segment joining midpoint of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Now here we have a parallelogram and the midpoints of parallelogram and we have diagonals of this and diagonal of this. So we have a diagram somewhat like this. Now if I mark this as A, B, C, D, S, R, Q, P are the midpoints and point O is the center of intersection. Now we know in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Therefore, according to midpoint theorem, PQ parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half AC. Same way I can say RS is parallel to AC and RS is equal to half AC. From 1 and 2, we can say PQ is parallel to RS and PQ is equal to RS. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Now we already know, according to the theorem, that diagonals SQ and PR or RP bisect each other because in a parallelogram diagonals always bisect each other. So our question is proved. Number 7. Here we have a triangle ABC and we have one line here. So this is a triangle A, B, C, D and M are the midpoints and line C where this is 90 degrees. Now here we have to prove that ABC is a triangle right angled at C a line through the midpoint M of the hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC intersect DC at point D. Show that D is the midpoint of AC, DM is perpendicular to AC, and CM is equal to MA is equal to half AB. Now for first part of it, we have triangle ABC or ACB, where M is midpoint of AB and MD is parallel to BC, that is given. According to converse of midpoint theorem, D is midpoint of AC. Now in second result, we have MD is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. Therefore, angle MDA is equal to angle BCA, corresponding angles. Therefore, angle BCA is equal to 90 degrees and therefore angle MDA is also 90 degrees. Therefore, MD is perpendicular to AC. Third result, we have in triangle ADM and triangle CDM, angle ADM is equal to angle CDM. They are 90 degrees. MD is equal to MD and AD is equal to CD because D is the midpoint. Therefore, triangle ADM is congruent to triangle CDM by SAS congruency. Therefore, MA is equal to MC by CPCT. Therefore, M is midpoint of AB is given. Therefore, MA is equal to half AB. From result 1 and 2, we can say CM is equal to MA is equal to half AB. Hence, it is proved. Thank you.